Hey everyone, this is Dan from DHTV, and today we're taking a look at the HOROW T38P Smart Toilet, and after spending some time using it, this is my full review. Now, this isn't going to be your average toilet. It automatically opens the lid as you walk up, it flushes automatically when you're done, has a heated seat, warm water bidet functions, a warm air dryer, UV sterilization, a built-in deodorizer, a nightlight, and a remote that lets you control and customize just about everything. Now, I've been using it for the past little while, and today I'll show you what it can do. I'll share my experience using it with you, and I'll let you know whether I think it's worth upgrading. Now, if at any point during this video you'd like to learn more about the HOROW T38P, I have the website link in the video description below. HOROW did send this toilet over for review, but as always with my reviews, everything you're going to hear is based on my own experience using it. Let's get started. Now, the first thing that stood out to me wasn't actually the bidet, it was the automatic lid. As soon as you walk up, the toilet detects your presence and opens the lid automatically. When you're finished, it can automatically close the lid behind you and then it flushes. So from start to finish, there's very little you actually have to touch. The overall design is very clean and modern. It's a one-piece toilet with smooth skirted sides that not only looks great, but also makes the outside so much easier to clean than a traditional toilet. The T38P features a 17.3-inch ADA comfort height seat, so it's actually a little easier to sit down and stand up than many traditional toilets. What's interesting though is that even with the higher seating position, the toilet itself actually has a much lower profile because it doesn't have that big tank on the back that you would see in traditional toilets. This gives it a much cleaner, more modern, and premium look. Now, installation is also straightforward if you're replacing an existing toilet. Since it's a smart toilet though, it does have a plug, so you'll need a nearby electrical outlet along with your standard water connection. Now let's talk about the feature most people are probably curious about, and that is the built-in bidet. Before this review, I never actually used one before, so this was a completely new experience for me, and the T38P offers a rear wash, feminine wash, an oscillating wash, adjustable water pressure and temperature, and adjustable nozzle positioning, so you can customize the experience however you like. Another thing I really like is that the bidet uses its own fresh water supply that's completely separate from the toilet's flushing system. That means that water used for cleaning is always fresh water. The nozzle also automatically rinses itself before and after every use, and it includes UV sterilization to keep everything clean. Now, what really changed my perspective is realizing that a bidet isn't just about comfort. For someone recovering from surgery or dealing with arthritis, back pain, or any type of reduced mobility, having the ability to clean yourself with less physical effort could make everyday life easier. Now, to give you a quick demo, you just walk in and the sensor will automatically detect that you're in the room. You can then sit down and take note there is a sensor in this area. So if I put my hand over, you hear that. It pre-moistens the bowl, and if you do have the foam, it'll add that in as well. You do your business, you can get up, walk away. It'll close the lid. You can see up top in the circle, it says UV, and it'll flush automatically. That's the flushing icon. And then it goes back to a UV cleaning. Additionally, there's a button at the bottom. If you press on it, it'll open the top lid here, or the second lid, just like that. And then you can use this standing up. When you're done, you can also manually flush the toilet with the button on the side here. Just press it. It'll close both lids. And once again, it'll flush. However, for the advanced features and controls, you have your smart remote to control everything you can do with the toilet. At first, it looks like there's a lot of buttons, but after a few minutes, it becomes very easy to use. And from this control, you can adjust the water temperature, seat temperature, dryer temperature, the water pressure, nozzle position, and select the different cleaning modes. I like that you can personalize everything to your own preferences, and once you've set it up the way you like it, you really don't have to think about it again. Now let's talk about the heated seat, and this ended up being one of my favorite features. Living here in Canada, sitting down on a warm seat instead of a cold one is something you appreciate almost immediately, especially during those colder months. Once you've used the bidet, there's also a built-in warm air dryer with adjustable temperature settings to help complete the experience. Another unique feature is HOROW's foam shield. When you sit down, it creates a layer of foam inside the bowl that's designed to help reduce splashing, contain odors, and minimize those aerosols during flushing. The T38P also includes a built-in deodorizer that helps keep the bathroom smelling fresher while the toilet is in use. Now, all of these smart features are great, but at the end of the day, this still has to perform as well as a standard toilet. The HOROW T38P uses a built-in tank and pump system along with a smart dual flush system that's designed to deliver a powerful flush while helping conserve water. So depending on the situation, it can actually automatically choose between a partial or full flush, and this will help reduce water usage without having to sacrifice any performance. Now, it also has a 1,000 gram MAP score. So if you're not familiar with that, the MAP score is actually an industry test that measures how much waste a toilet can remove in a single flush. So a score of like 1,000 grams is considered excellent, and it's one of the highest ratings that you can find. Now, during my time using it, flushing performance has been exactly what I'd hoped for. It's powerful, consistent, quiet, and I never had any concerns about it getting the job done. Now, a feature I think is worth mentioning is battery backup. And since this is a smart toilet, a lot of features rely on electricity. So naturally, you might be wondering what happens if the power does go out. HOROW offers an optional battery backup that is sold separately. It will allow the toilet to continue flushing during a power outage. Hopefully, it's not something you'll ever need, but it's definitely reassuring to know it's there if you do. After spending some time with the T38P, I really felt that it wasn't just one feature that impressed me the most. It was how everything worked together. So the automatic lid, the heated seat, the bidet, the warm air dryer, automatic flushing, foam shield, deodorizer, all individually, it's nice, but together they create an experience that's noticeably different from using a traditional toilet. Now, a feature I haven't mentioned yet is the built-in nightlight, which again may seem like a minor feature, but if you're getting up in the middle of the night, it's nice having just enough light without having to turn on the bathroom lights. It's another one of those little conveniences that just makes sense once you've lived with it. As for sound, I found the entire toilet to be very quiet. Whether the lid was opening, the flushing, or the different automatic functions, everything feels smooth and well thought out. So after spending this time with the HOROW T38P, what do I honestly think? Well, coming into this review, I really didn't know what to expect. Again, I didn't ever own or use a smart toilet before, and I wasn't sure if all of those features would actually make much of a difference. However, now that I've been using it for a while, I can honestly say they've exceeded my expectations. Again, not because of one specific feature, but because all of those features work together to make something you use every single day feel more comfortable, more convenient, and definitely more hygienic. Now, in general, is a smart toilet something everybody needs? Probably not. A traditional toilet still gets the job done. But if you're doing something like a renovation and you're changing out your toilet, enjoy smart home technology, or simply want a more premium bathroom experience, I can absolutely understand why smart toilets have become so popular. But again, I also think it's worth considering for anyone looking for added comfort or anybody who would benefit from a less physically taxing experience when you're going to the bathroom. The T38P makes that everyday use that much easier. So overall, I've been genuinely impressed with the HOROW T38P. It's well designed, packed with useful features, performs exactly as it should, and it's completely changed the way I look at smart toilets. So if you'd like to learn more about the HOROW T38P, the website links are in the video description below. A big thanks to HOROW for sending this over for review and opening my eyes to smart toilets and what they can do. Now, I honestly want to see what you guys think. Have you ever owned a smart toilet before? If so, what's your favorite feature? If not, is this something you could see yourself adding to your home? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I try to respond to every comment that comes my way. Also, if you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell notification box for more reviews, tutorials, tech videos, tips, tricks, and all that good stuff. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.